Manually writing out your reference list takes forever. It takes you a lot of time and you're risking making a lot of mistakes. Any errors in your reference list will lose you marks in your essay or dissertation, plus the formatting of each individual reference can also take a lot of time. Especially if you're writing your dissertation, you might have between 50 to 100 papers to reference. The more references you have, the more likely you are to make mistakes, and the more mistakes you make in your references, the more marks you will drop. So, how do we solve this? If you're watching this video, you may not have used an automated tool before, or you may have some deep distrust of technology that automates human tasks. But trust me, the time and energy you will get back from automating your reference list is worth it. There are many different reference manager tools that will automate your referencing for you. I use Mendeley because I could use it for free during my master's, and it's also freely available during my PhD. Have a look on your uni website and see which reference manager tools are available. Other good tools include Zotero and EndNote. They all work the same way, but I would recommend Mendeley. The rest of this video will give you a step-by-step guide for using Mendeley. But first, I want to show you quickly the power of the tool. Here is an example of how quickly I can write my reference list using Mendeley. So I've got to the end of my literature review. I've cited all my references using Mendeley. Now I just go to the Mendeley word widget, press the three dots, click Insert Bibliography, click Continue, and boom, 192 references done in 3 clicks with no mistakes in the format that I want. It's really that simple. The step-by-step guide. Number 1, download the Mendeley app. Step 2, add the Mendeley word widget in Word. Step 3, add references using their DOI link. Step 4, cite references in Word using Mendeley. Step 5, repeat steps 3 and 4 for every paper you reference. And step 6, insert bibliography in Word using Mendeley. Thanks very much for watching.